Thanks for catching up with Marine Surety. I wanted to share some crucial insights about vintage wooden boat insurance today. As someone who's been in the alternative marine insurance sector for years, I can't stress enough how unique these beautiful vessels are when it comes to coverage needs. We're not just talking about any ordinary boat insurance here. These floating pieces of history require a completely different approach. What many owners don't realize is that these vessels often appreciate in value, unlike their modern counterparts. At Marine Surety, we've developed specialized coverage that accounts for everything from traditional woodworking repairs to period-correct replacement parts. We understand the delicate balance between maintaining historical authenticity and meeting modern safety requirements. One of the most critical aspects we focus on is the proper valuation of these vessels. We work with expert marine surveyors who understand the nuances of vintage boats, considering factors like original construction materials, historical significance, and restoration quality. This detailed approach ensures our clients receive the comprehensive coverage their unique maritime assets deserve. Whether you're worried about wood rot, structural deterioration, or specialized maintenance requirements, we've got you covered. And when it comes to claims, our network of qualified vintage boat restorers and historical material experts ensures your vessel receives the care it deserves while maintaining its historical integrity. Remember, protecting your vintage vessel isn't just about insurance, it's about preserving maritime history. That's why we're here to help craft the perfect coverage solution for your classic watercraft.